Hi, it's Jenny. Welcome to LaShenny21Nails. As a base, I applied this Wetn'wild polish called Great Minds Think Alike. I'm using this Maniology stamping plate from the Chic Peek collection, BM-XL473, and their gold stamping polish called Heart of Gold. To finish off the design, I apply a couple of rhinestones. And here's the completed manicure. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Thanks so much for watching and have a wonderful day. Bye! And if you haven't had a chance to subscribe to my channel, I invite you to do so by clicking the subscribe button.